This is yours truly, Doc Malutrahano, with Thursday Brain Bites. So, in this first edition of Brain Bites, I'll be discussing to all of you the top 10 misconceptions about epilepsy. Misconception number one: epilepsy is contagious. The fact is, epilepsy is not infectious. It is a neurological condition caused by an abnormal brain activity. Misconception number two: only children can get epilepsy. It is a fact that epilepsy can be seen at any age group, from infants to the elderly. Misconception number three: people with epilepsy cannot live normal lives. So that is not true. In fact, with proper treatment, most people with epilepsy can study, work, marry, and have families. Misconception number four: seizures are always dramatic convulsions. No, a lot of seizures present differently. So some can shake, some can have staring episodes, can be confused, or have an unusual movement. Misconception number five: people having a seizure should be restrained. That's a no-no. People having seizure should never be restrained. The first thing that you should do is to stay calm and put the patient in a safe, clearing the area and laying them on their side. Misconception number six: you should put something in the mouth during a seizure. That is not correct. Never put anything in the mouth of a patient who is having seizure in order not to block the airway or cause injury. Misconception number seven: epilepsy always means low intelligence. That's a big no-no. Most people with epilepsy have normal intelligence. Learning difficulties, if present, are often related to the underlying cause, but not epilepsy. Misconception number eight: epilepsy is a mental illness. The fact is, epilepsy is a neurological disorder, but not a psychiatric illness. That's why some people experience depression or anxiety due to the stigma or stress of having epilepsy. Misconception number nine is that people with epilepsy cannot succeed life. A lot of people who are leaders, artists, athletes, or famous personalities had epilepsy. With support, proper treatment, these people with epilepsy were able to achieve and be successful. Last but not the least misconception is that epilepsy is untreatable. With the advancement of science, a lot of medications are now available in treating epilepsy, and up to 70% of patients can become seizure free with the right treatment and the right duration of treatment. So, for any more brain bite suggestions, feel free to message me. But the most important is to share all your learnings with Doc Malu Thursday Brain Bites.